Around to see who's in your group. Okay, chaps, which one is your one? Okay, Jack, what comments have you got about it?
It's delicious, but I reckon the next time you need like a bit of more fruit out. Yeah, the cranberries.
Too much?
It's a bit too much.
Okay.
I'll rate it 10 out of 10 because of the texture and the apricots and the cranberries, because it just brought it all together, but it was a little bit crumbly.
A little bit crumbly.
I reckon next time we'll put a bit more rice bubbles in. Yeah.
A bit more rice bubbles.
Yeah.
What about the sweetness of it? Not too sweet?
It's just perfect.
Just perfect for you guys?
It definitely fills you up.
Okay, that's the mark of a good muesli bar.
What about 4 bits of sugar?
Oh, that's probably that's probably worth about your lunch.
I had one bit and it filled me up. I couldn't have any more.
Yeah. Did you get filled up too, Jack?
Yes, I really did. I'm still full.
Yeah.
But I would have more because it's real good.
I would have more, but it does fill you up.
Ray, maybe we can have some more for morning tea tomorrow.
You guys rate it. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Well, maybe 9 and a half.
I say, yeah, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Well done, chat.